So today this is GK. We have to study GK now. Class. This is class third. B. GK. GK and date 13. Date GK. So today we have to see the lesson IQ quiz first. Lesson 25th. Lesson 26. Lesson 26. Quiz first. Quiz first. So lesson 26. Page number 39. Page number 39. So page number 37, 38, 39 you see. Quiz first. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. In which continent is the world's largest liver Nile located? In which continent in the world's largest river Nile located? Three options are given here: Africa, Australia, and the Asia. So here first Africa is correct answer. So first to write Africa. First answer A, Africa. Now second you see, which continent lies in the east of the Europe? Which continent lies to the east of the Europe? Three options are here: A, Australia, B, Africa, and 3, Asia. So Asia, C, Asia is the correct answer. So second C, Asia is the correct answer. But when you are writing copy, you write the complete sentence and complete all the alternatives, and you have to take only one which is the correct. Now next, which among the following is the highest waterfall in the world? Three options are here: Niagara Falls, Angel Falls, and Yosemite Falls. So here which is correct? B, Angel Falls is the correct option. So third B. Angel Falls. And fourth you see, which is the world's largest country? Which is the world's largest country? Three options are here: USA, Russia, and UK. Russia is the correct option, so you have to write the Russia, B. Fourth B, Russia. Now fifth, you see, which continent is the world's largest desert Sahara located? In which continent is the world's largest desert Sahara located? Three options are here: A, Africa, B, Europe, and C, Asia. So here A, Africa is the correct answer. The fifth You have to write the A, Africa. A, Africa. And 6. Which continent contains about 80% of fresh water present on Earth? Which continent contains about 80% of fresh water present on Earth? Three options are here. A, Asia. B, Antarctica. C, Australia. So here Antarctica is the correct answer. 6. B. Antarctica is the correct answer. And 7th, which are the icebergs made up of? What are icebergs made up of? Three options are here: fresh water, groundwater, and the sea water. So here 7th A, fresh water. 7th A, fresh water. Now we will see it. In what form is water most abundant on earth? 8th question you see again. In what form is water most abundant on earth? Three options are there: snow, sea water, and the fresh water. You know that is 3 part. So that is the B is the correct answer. Sea water. B, sea water. Ninth, which among the following is the Iceland continent in the world? Which among the following is the island continent in the world? So 3 options are there: Greenland, Malaysia, and the Australia. So here Australia is correct. Once again listen you. Which among the following is the island continent in the world? A, Greenland. B, Malaysia, and 3, Australia. So C, Australia is correct option here. 8 you have written, that is B. 8, this is B. And 9, that is C, Australia. Australia is the correct answer. And 10th question you see. Which is the world's largest glacier? 3 options are here: Lambert Glacier, Bifo Glacier, Yalong Glacier. So here Lambert Glacier is correct answer. A, Lambert. Glacier. So this is the quiz first. Once again I am reading, you listen properly. First, in which continent is the world's largest river Nile located? So first is the Africa is the correct answer. And second, which continent lies to the east of Europe? 3 options are here: Australia, Africa, and Asia. Asia is the correct option. Third, which among the following is the highest waterfall in the world? So Angel Falls is the correct answer. And fourth, which is the world's largest country? So B, Russia is correct answer. And fifth you see, in which continent is the world's largest desert Sahara located? So Africa is the correct option. And sixth you see, which continent contains about 80% of fresh water present on earth? So Antarctica is the correct answer. And seventh you see, what are the icebergs made up of? So answer will be fresh water. And eight, in which form is water most abundant on earth? So that is the sea water, correct option. And ninth question, which among the following is the island continent in the world? Australia is correct answer. And tenth, which is the world's largest glacier? So Lambert Glacier is the correct answer. That's for today. Thank you.